Alright, so I have it very dim in here because, like in my Skittles machine video, the sensor needs to be a little dark here so it can sense the color, because the coins are not a very strong color. So before I put this in, I also like to check to see if it's very strong. And right now, this is a brand new bottle, so I have to tilt that up before I put it in a bowl underneath. So let's put in the bowl, and I'll show you guys here. Just put it in the bowl there. And I'm going to rise this here so you guys can actually see the machine flooding. Okay, so it's very dark here, as you guys can see. Put in one coin, and then the other. And it missed there, but put in the other one. And you guys can see there it goes flooding. It shot a little bit that way, but it's pretty much missed a little bit, but it's pretty much going in the bowl there. So it goes really fast with new bottles because the straw does go all the way to the back. And then there is the outside. Sorry about the shadows. I don't have all my lights on right now, but that is the outside. You can see it floods, or it fills the cup very fast, and it's overall a very cool machine, very sticky. That was the hardest part actually, besides the mechanism, was do I really want to risk my studio, because you guys can see my studio is a little, it has Pepsi all over it, which is not good, and that'll take a while to clean up, but as you guys can see, it is a really cool machine. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. You guys will be notified whenever I upload an awesome video like this one. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye.